What's up, ladies? My name is Rosie, and I make content to build women over 40 confidence so that they can wear what the hell they want to wear. Today's topic is unboxing my Woodbury Commons finds. In the How to Look Luxe for Less video, I talked about the advantages of shopping outlet malls. If you have not seen that video, you should definitely check it out. But in that video, I mentioned Woodbury Commons as one of the outlet malls that I like to shop at. So here is what I got there. Let's do this. First up is Ferragamo. That is the first store I went into, and oh my God, I had a great shopping experience. In addition to the great shopping experience, they were having a 20% off. You know I love that. So I got these beauties. Can you see them? Can you see them? Can you see them? So these are suede material, and what stood out for me is the bow, right? Ferragamo is into the bow, and I like that the bow is sticking up. Now, it's not supposed to stick up, but I am going to wear mine like this because I like the way it stick up. It's really supposed to be down like this. But that is what makes the shoe to me. That is just the showstopper piece for me. So I just like, you know, the silver detail buckle that they have right here. What I really also like is the heel. Now, even though this is a skinny heel, which I said I wasn't going to buy anymore because I'm struggling with that, the sales associate told me try it on because the way that they had positioned the heel to have this material here and then to have it more coming back to the middle of the shoe, it gives you more stability. And when I tried it on, it did, right? So I was happy about that because, again, I am not investing in any more skinny heels because my knees get old and they cannot take it. I'm going to continue to wear the ones that I have, and when they go, I'm not buying any. But these were very comfortable. So I really love this shoe and can't wait to wear it. Next up, Ferragamo once again. Again, I had to get these. Let's take a closer look. So same thing that drew me to the other ones was the bow. I do like the sling back version of this. The color. It's the color for me. It's the color for me. I'm just in my grown-up, sophisticated look here, right? Oh my God, and these on look so good. Oh my God. So again, what drew me, silver detail, the bow. Again, I'm going to wear it up like this. I don't know. I asked the guy how it came up like this. They actually have, you know, some paper in here, as you can see, to hold the shape, and I'm not sure if, you know, that is what caused this to come up like that. But anyway, like I said before, I love this feature of it coming up like that. So again, what drew me is the color, right? And then this fantastic bow. Okay, just so you know, I got 5 pair of Ferragamo, so this is the third of the 5. Goodness. I'm such in my grown woman era. Like, I need support, and that's the whole thing. I am revamping my shoe game, right? Most of my shoes are skinny heel, and I need to buy things that are going to have more stability, that are stable. Ferragamo helped me do that. So Oh my God. Okay, so it's definitely the print that, you know, caught my eye, and of course the material. You can definitely wear this all year around. So like I said, I'm revamping my shoe game, and this will go perfectly in my wardrobe, right? So again, like I said, the material, the texture, I really like that about this shoe, so it had to come home with me. 4 out of 5 Ferragamo. Let's come in for a closer look. Okay, can you tell I was obsessed with the bows and this new heel? So again, as I said, revamping my shoe game, and who doesn't need a neutral color pump? I mean, a neutral color sandal. And so with this, I can get so much wear out of it from the things that are in my closet that I had to, you know, pick her up and add her to my shoe collection. So I love, can't wait to wear her. 5 out of 5 Ferragamo. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. So freaking cute. They had this also in a yellow color that they didn't have my size, and I was disappointed, but I want to find it. So that's, you know, my goal, to find this in yellow in my size. But I definitely need a white. Again, no comfortable white shoe that I have in my wardrobe, and so with this platform, it's going to do the job that I need to keep me comfortable as I walk these streets and go into these events and places I need to go, right? So love this, love this, and it looks so good on my feet. And you know what, I actually forgot to take any videos of me in the boutique, right? I just totally forgot. I got lost in seeing all these shoes and so happy that they had my size. I just was in there in heaven and forgot to take any videos. So sorry about that, but you are seeing it here now. Next, Loewe. So we are definitely keeping up with the bow theme. Look at these. Ooh. The bow is the star. And look at that heel. Oh my God. The bow is the star though. Look at that. So it's definitely going to hit the ground as I walk. And that is the dramatic nature of it all, right? Oh my God. The sales associate was telling me about these going down the runway and how they were the talk of the town when they hit the runway, and I just can't wait. I just can't wait to wear these. Oh my God, they look so good on, and this daggone bow is just jumbo. Okay, jumbo. I like, you know, a good pair of leather shoes, and then this black is going to be a workhorse for my wardrobe. So just can't wait to start pulling outfits together with these in mind. Last but not least, Dior. These bone colored boots. I remember coming in and looking around, and this lady had them on, and I was just like, they look cute. Of course, I asked for my size, they had it. And this is the color that I don't really have in my wardrobe that will definitely go with, you know, skirts, jeans, all of the above. I just can't wait to style these in so many different ways. Oh my God, I just can't wait. And I also have a purse that will match perfectly with these. So these are going to be in rotation this year. So as you can see, I got all shoes. So So, and that is something I really needed. That is a gap that I have in my wardrobe that I really needed to get new shoes. Again, as I said previously, I'm revamping my shoe game. And this was the perfect time to go, you know, during the end of the summer. Again, a couple of the places I went to had additional off. So that was always a plus. Another perk to going to outlet malls is that you get to know new sales associates, you know, because they, you know, leave jobs as well. So I got to know new sales associates, and now, you know, they kind of know my taste a little, and so they will let me know when items that they think I have interest in come in. They'll, you know, text me and send me pictures, and also they will alert me when sales are occurring. So that's why I like to go ever so often to, like I said, get to know new sales associates, because I love sales. Okay, I love them. So anytime that I can go and, you know, get sale items, and I'm not in a rush. Again, I'm not in a rush. I don't have to get something that's right off the runway. I can wait in order to get a discounted price, because it's something that's going to be in my closet regardless. You know, if I have it when it's right off the runway, it's still going to be sitting in my closet waiting to be, you know, worn. Or if I can wait, I have no issue in doing that. And that's another reason why I like, you know, outlet malls, because I work hard for my money, and so I wanted to go as far as it can go. So those are my items from Woodbury Commons. If you are a woman over 40 who is struggling with fashion insecurities such as body type issues, not wanting to stand out, hesitation to step out of your comfort zone, and you want to gain the confidence to wear what the hell you want to wear, DM me over on IG and I will be happy to assist. Well, that's all I have for this video. As I always leave you, I want you to buy less, choose well, repeat often, and make it last. Until next time, bye-bye.